So now I have here my Mercury 175 EFI engine and check the compression again, and actually it's very good. It's within 5 psi and around 125 psi. So I have this fucked up fuel pressure. It's wrong, so it goes up and down, and I tried one last time, go out, and every time I come up a little bit up in RPMs, then it sounds like a bag of bolts inside the engine. And then I think it's very strange, but I have some kind of a feeling that there's something with the trigger or the trigger wires. So now I'll take it apart, and this is the trigger wires. But I'm pretty sure this maybe it's not very good. So I changed that also, and wait to see how I can find a fuel pressure regulator solution, because these are out of stock of Mercury and hard to find.